Hello there, Ragma here. Welcome to another video. Today, the video going to be about creating a table with Excel, and it should take us less than a minute. Let's get right into it. To create a table with Excel, we generally start with adding some information to decide the number of rows and columns that we need. So for example here, maybe I'm going to start with the task number, and then I'm going to add the days of the week over here, and maybe I will stop on Friday. Underneath, maybe I want to add 10 tasks for each day, so I'm going to add 10 numbers right in here. After this, I know that this range of cells is the one that I want to change or to make as a table. So to do so, the only thing I need to do is to select that range and then go to Insert and then go to Table, and then Excel will ask me, does my table has headers? And as you can see, we already add them, so we will keep that one checked mark, and then we press OK. And that's how you create a table in a few seconds. Now, if you don't like the color of this table, you can definitely change it. And you can change it by going to the table design. But be careful, if you click outside of the table, you will lose the site of the table design. So you need to click first anywhere on the table, then the table design will show up. Click on it and then go to the table style, click on the arrow down, and then you can select any style that you like. There is light, medium, and dark colors. You can click on any and see which one you prefer, and it's completely up to you what you like. Now, another good thing about creating table in this way, beside the fast way to do it, is that you can add rows and column very fast as well. So for example, I can add number 11 here, then press enter, and you will see Excel add a new row for me very fast. The same over here for column. So if I want to go here and add total as an example, you will see Excel will add a new column for you at the end. And that's simply how you can create a table in less than a minute using Excel. If you'd like to learn how I used autofill to create the days of the week as well as the numbers, please watch the next video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.